Namaste. I am JVN Dr. Kiran Yadav. In the last lecture, we discussed about the formula for work transfer in case of closed system for isobaric, isochoric, and isothermal processes. Now, in this lecture, we will study the formula of work transfer for polytropic process and for adiabatic process. Okay. So first, we will study about polytropic process. So a polytropic process is a process which follows a polytropic path. Okay. So polytropic path is any path that follows this relation PV is to power n equals to constant. Okay. So any path that follows this relation is polytropic path. So in the PV diagram, I have shown a path where a system goes from state 1 to state 2, uh, and we assume that this path is polytropic path, which means that it follows this particular relation. Here the value of n can be from 0 to infinite. So for this polytropic path, we will calculate the formula for of work transfer. At state 1, the pressure is P1 and volume is V1, and at 2 the pressure is P2 and the volume is V2. Okay, so I have made a mistake here. So here there should be P1, here it should be P2, here the name should be V1, and here the name should be V2. So correct it. Okay, so at state first, if we write the value, if we take the product of this quantity, then it will be P1 V1 is to power n, and at state 2 this will be P2 V2 is to power n. And as we know that in polytropic path this ratio is constant and is equal, so we can write both these terms equal to each other, and which is equal to the term P V is to power n, where PV is pressure and volume at a random point on the path. So in polytropic path, all these terms will be equal to each other. Okay. So from this equation, if we calculate the value of P, then it comes out to be P1 V1 is to power n upon V is to power n. We know that the formula for work transfer is integral of P dV. Okay, so using this formula, if we calculate the value of W, then first we put the value, this value of P here. Okay, then we put the values of limits, that is from V1 to V2, as volume is changing from V1 to V2. Then we further solve this integration. We know that the term P1 V1 is to power n is constant, so we take this out from the integration, and we are left with integral of dV upon V is to power n. Okay, so we can write it as V is to power minus n in the next step. Then we apply the formula for integration of x is to power n, which is x is to power n upon n plus 1, and we integrate this term. Then we put the limits, so we get this term. Okay, by putting the limits. So from this we take 1 minus n as common, and multiply this term inside the bracket, so we get this formula, this one. Okay, so here we know that from the first relation, P1 V1 is to power n is equals to P2 V2 is to power n. Okay, so here in this formula there is a term P1 V1 is to power n. In place of this term we can write P2 V2 is to power n. Okay, so we write this, and then we further solve this. Here V2 is to power n and V2 is to power 1 minus n. So we will be left with P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon 1 minus n. So this is the final formula of work transfer in case of polytropic process or for a polytropic path. Okay. Now we will discuss the work transfer for case of adiabatic process. Okay, so first we need to understand what is adiabatic process. Any process that follows the relation PV to power gamma is equals to constant, okay, is known as adiabatic process. In the polytropic process we also took the same formula, but in place of gamma there was n. So we can say that in polytropic process if we put n equals to gamma, then it is adiabatic process. What is gamma here? Gamma here is Cp upon Cv. Here Cp is the specific heat at constant pressure and Cv is specific heat at constant volume. Okay. In the later topics that we will discuss in some upcoming lectures, I will tell you what is Cp and Cv. So now just remember that Cp is a specific heat at constant pressure and Cv is a specific heat at constant volume, and the ratio of both these terms is known as gamma. Okay. So again, similar to the polytropic process, here we can write the equation P1 V1 gamma is equals to P2 V2 gamma is equals to PV, and as this formula is similar in case of polytropic process, the work transfer obtained will also be same, but in place of m there should be gamma in the formula. So this formula will also be applied for adiabatic process, but here in place of 1 minus n we will write 1 minus gamma. So the formula of work transfer in case of adiabatic process comes out to be P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon 1 minus gamma.